There we go. Alright guys, how's everyone feeling today? Just chilling, just chilling, just chilling. Yeah, I need to test some things today, but that's basically it. Alright, let me just charge my phone real fast. Cause alright, so honestly guys, I'm not even gonna lie, I don't have 2 monitor screens, and I don't think I have enough RAM to have 2 monitor screens, so I have to use my phone as well as I have to use my phone as well as, like, how do I explain? My phone as well as my PC to get messages and stuff like that. But today we're gonna have a great day, we're gonna have a great time, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Alright, so let me go ahead and I think I'm gonna go to screen record, play some music. I don't know, my desktop just gets nastier and nastier. I'm gonna save this real fast and I'm gonna close that. Alright, C minor. So you won't call this chords to use. Alright. Gotta close the circle of fifths. Alright, let's go ahead and get to business. So, for starters, what I'm gonna do is, well, first I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I actually was out of commission for a little bit. And we're losing a little choppy movement, just a little choppiness. But that's cool. You know, we're not trying to make the most smoothest game. Yeah, we're gonna try and use some delta time or something with that. But yeah, we've got an input, get axis, UI left, and UI right. Now, I could not figure out how to get UI left and UI right in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to get a, I'm gonna have a controller link object in here. And that controller link will function off of the states manager. So that's really what I'm doing here. Because we're technically getting inputs here, if you know what I mean. So, and we have a debugger, errors, player input, physics process, already up. Wait, states manager. We don't need any of this. Oh yeah, by the way, yo bitch ass is ready. Yes. Oh man, I'm crazy. I'm crazy. Oh man, that's great. That's great. So, can you imagine? see some code like that? Like, what? Like, yeah, yo bitch ass is ready. Like, what? Like, yeah, yo bitch ass is ready. What do you expect? Alright. States.manager, physics update. Gotta run a function. Function. Process. Delta. I'm gonna do states. States manager. Dot. States manager dot. What else do we need? States manager dot update. That is a function that we have. And yeah. So there actually is some stuff that I need to do, and one of those things is clear this up. One of those things is we have our move script, so that's perfectly fine. This will function pretty similarly to everything else. And this player.move is perfectly great. Alright, cool. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to my controller link. Actually, what we can do is we can set up our buttons like this. We can say var input vector control link on input vector equals that. Then we can say var buttons pressed input vector equals vector 2 dot 0. Buttons pressed. We want to make sure buttons pressed is something. This will be array. Equals that. Then we're going to say this is a vector 2. So basically what we're doing is we're setting this input vector, vector 2, to be what we need it to be, basically. I'm going to change my song real fast. I'm just going to listen to all this right here. Alright. Okay, there we go, that's good. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is we got our process delta, state.manager to update, physics process, this runs everything. We need to have something else in here. I'm gonna go to my states manager and I'm going to add a question to each of the states. Basically, what I want to do is current state equals possible states equals get children. So this is automatically going to make all our stuff in there. We're going to say we want to add each of these into like a dictionary. So I'm going to say var states dictionary equals dictionary there we go. So basically when that means when the states dictionary is like this, that just means that we have a dictionary that we can use. We should actually set this, instead of equaling to null, we should just set it to be array equals null, like that. And the current state equals like that. I'm actually gonna write a thing up here. It says prop. Geez, this is C++. These are properties. This is manage. Current state of the array. Now, honestly, there is one bad thing, and that is I don't know how to use the input map. Now, the input map is something that it's a little confusing, but I don't know how to set up the input map with code, and sadly, I don't think there is a way without using the function input thing there. Which, I don't want to use function input, I just want to be able to set it up without it. But it's like there's no way to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have something here. Because how I can write it is I can write it where it just uses the key codes and the different joystick events, because we already do input. Input get joy axis. See? And this is yeah, they are all global input state, which is what we might want unless we don't want to do anything with that. But I might try something a little bit new. I really do want to use input map though. It's one thing I would like to do, have an input map. Okay. But one thing I don't want to do is I don't want to set it via the input mapper. I would rather set it through code. So I think what I'll do is I will have it to where it will grab the code or grab the inputs. So, geez, how am I even gonna do this? Nah, I'm gonna do it how I was doing it. Controller link, because all of this is our controller stuff. Player A, B, X, Y, L, R. X, Y, L, R, player start. Oh my god, I spelled this wrong. There we go. Get key axis, positive value, negative value, float. See, I don't even know what I want to do at this point, but I know it's something now. Whatever, I'll just find another way. So I think what I'll do is for controller link, because we do need controller link for this stuff if we're not using inputs, what I need to do is set up some type of thing that's gonna work with everything else. Not gonna lie, I feel like it's a good thing that I'm working on the code first, so I'm not overwhelmed once I need to code everything. I think I'll do this from now on, like make some really bad programmer art, and then, and you know guys, I actually do think that's a good idea, by the way, is make like some really like crappy programmer art. I'm talking about bottom of the barrel, like the creme of the creme, the crop of the clop, the dumbest shit that we can think of for programmer art, because that's just what I think we should do. Just have some really bad programmer art and just throw that up on there. Alright, let's go ahead and get down to business. Which reminds me of Mega Man music, no joke. Man, I want to make a Mega Man game. Is this gonna be a Mega Man game? Hold on, let me see if I can. Let me see something. Let me see scene. Let me see. Let me see something. There's gotta be something we can print. FPS. It's gotta be like. It's gotta be something we can do to print FPS. Okay, let's do. See, I don't know why my PC is slowing down. Get frames per second. Alright, cool. See, I'm curious. Run. Renderer. We also gotta write some shaders in here as well. Alright, so we know that it's getting 60 frames per second, so that's good. I will press Control K. Doobie doobie doo. Alright, let's do that physics process, states manager, not physics update. There's gotta be something that I can listen to. Kill switch. Yeah, this works. Get some peaceful ass music. Hold on, wait, is nature walking here? Hold on. Darn, it's not. Some Skyrim ass music. Alright, so what I want to do is I think I'm going to try and get some stuff. My end. Let me see. You get key axes and get joystick axes are just in here because we're not going to use them outside. They're kind of like private methods. All right, cool. Go to states manager. Player equals get parent. Possible states equals get children. State player. We're gonna say we gotta be like a way to add stuff to dictionary. So dictionary. My phone just died? Hold on. What just happened? Don't tell me YouTube just crashed. Yo. This is wild. YouTube was like, James, you're being too boring. I was like, what? Oh yeah, you're being too boring, boy. Lighten up. Don't tell me my phone is just having a stroke. Yo, the pages aren't even loading up on my end. There we go. Alright, well, let me see. There's gotta be a way to add stuff to dictionaries. There's gotta be a way. It's gotta be like some dictionary stuff. Dictionary. Let me see. Can I add keys? Whereas is right. Find key get. It's gotta be a way to add stuff to a dictionary, right? Like, can we do that? Let me see. We can erase keys. I know what I'm gonna do. Instead of having a states dictionary, what I'm gonna do is there will be a find state object. And this may seem a bit confusing, but what we're gonna do is once we want to change our state, we're going to use a I would say a states identifier, but I don't really know how much that could work. I love this music. This music's great. Let me see. What is it that I got to do right now at this moment? I think that will be setting up the player. Input vector. Let's get the buttons vector. Buttons. I think what I'm going to do is once this works, I'm going to save this as a base player. And possibly not mess with it again. Alright. Did it stop looping? Oh, there we go. Let me see. Where is... There's gotta be something here. Go state normal. Huh. There we go. There we go. Alright, cool. So now I'm going to go to my states manager. States that normal. And instead, we're going to change some things. We're going to say if player.buttons 0. Player buttons press 0. Then we want to be able to jump. Okay. 0 on base array. Press 0. Do await. Player. Well, it's Bernie's Arts. I should really start streaming on YouTube. What's up, Bernie's Arts? How you doing, man? Oh crap! I realize it's not even doing a thing. Let me see something real fast. Let me see. I gotta try something real fast. Let me see if I can go to test. There we go. That's better. Yeah, how you doing, man? You doing all right? That's good. That's good. right now. Yeah, they fade. Yeah, I made it so they fade so they're not clogging up the thing. Just in case someone says something really bad and it's just up there. You know what I mean? Let me see, await. It'll be something. Don't tell me I can't use yield. Wait, button dot button up. But yeah. We said await player dot ready. Let me see something. Player dot await player. I'm just gonna say await player. Basically, I'm just trying to make sure that this gets done to the player, because this will allow us to move around and stuff, but I'm about to get index ready. Oh, no wonder it doesn't have a ready function. I was gonna say for my player, I'll do function ready. I'll say print player is. I was gonna say when we enter the tree, or on ready. Okay, all right. try something. Let's do player.ready should be fine, but I don't know why it's not working, but I'll figure something out. Ready, I'm gonna say right. Still can't jump. Oh, I'm gonna try. Because basically it's being set up by the buttons pressed, and if you don't set that up, it will always be 0. How could I be so stupid? I'm just gonna hit false. False, 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 false. Yeah, I love figuring out stuff like last minute. There we go. And that will change this. Then we don't even need this await statement here. If this works, son of a literal biscuit. Well, the good news is I got jumping now. And now I have some weird ass controls. But it works now, which is great. get player dot correction equals player dot input vector. Now that means we got float and vector 2. Vector 2, dot player input vector. Like that. 0, 0, that. Barney, guess what? I now have movement with the stuff. Alright, cool. It only took me, how long have I been at this for? About 47 minutes. Alright. Alright. So now that I got my player buttons pressed. Yeah, this music's making me kind of sleepy. I don't want to put y'all to sleep. Alright, let's listen to this then. So though, I wonder why a weight plater wasn't working. Well, I guess it's proof I shouldn't use it then. What kind of game are you making here? Alright, so basically, I'm making a little mech game. So basically, you play as this character right here, this guy, and you pilot this mech. But here's the catch though. This mech is not available in all areas. It's kind of like a roguelike, only I'm not giving myself a time limit to finish this game. It's more like a, this is what I want to do, and I want to do my best to do it. Now normally, you want to have some type of time limit when working on things, but if I were to give it a time limit, I have to say about like a month or something. Because after a month, I probably want to start working on something else. But other than that, yeah, that's basically it. It's like a little roguelike little game where you play as these characters and you can jump and shoot. like Mega Man. The sound chip I'm using is the Famicom MMC5. I'll be using Furnace to make the music for it. Yeah, mainly Furnace. And I gotta make the profile pictures and everything. And yeah, the game is gonna fit on this 160 by 144 grid. Either 160 by 144 grid, just like the original Game Boy, or it'll be something else. I think I might make it like a little bit bigger. Let me see. Alright, so 224 by 160. That's how big the map will be. Are you using the MC5 or are you using 2803? Yes, I am using the 2803 as well. The reason why is because I wanted to have something that's simple. Actually, here's a song from the game, actually, I can share with you. It is this right here. Got Furnace going, got the gray color. It is... Now this is not the plane stage, this is something completely different. In fact, I don't even know why I call this plane stage, but it's not plane stage, it's something different. But yeah, this is what I got so far. This might just be the opening theme. Alright, so I'm gonna read this. Modernized is simplifying the music to suit the Game Boy limitation since you're making it look more like Game Boy game than an NES one. That's a thing. I don't think I'll do that. I don't know. The reason why is because if people really want to make a Game Boy game, they'd probably want to use G-Boy Studio. And I just want to make something that is fun and interesting. I've already made a game with the NES limitations, but with the Game Boy limitations, but part of this fantasy console type thing is that we basically enhance old consoles or come up with completely new ones. That's why I have this. So yeah, another one I did was this one right here. It was Time Worth Remembering. I see misspelled remembering, but Time Worth Remembering. I made this in memory of my grandmother and my grandfather. So yeah. Yep, that's that song. But yeah, that's what I got so far. I want to remake this song though. This song is great. I think it goes into crazy mode right here. Wait for it. Oh, Bernie, real quick, if you're still here, this song I based off Lava Reef and Mole Knight Sage from Shovel Knight. What you really want is you don't want this one, you want the Genesis one. think I might have another state. We got our state normal. By gravity. We should have like an attack state, but I don't know if an attack state is what we need. I can't go back to me jumping and shooting. But we know that in the attack state we don't want them to jump. So what I think I'll do is I will make another state. Call this state attack. Going to state normal. Gonna grab our apply horizontal movement and our apply jumping and apply gravity. That's what I'm gonna grab. So we're just gonna. We don't want jumping, but we do want. Okay, there we go. We don't want jumping, so jumping is out of the question. We want to grab our gravity, horizontal movement, and move. So jumping can go. Yeah, we're not gonna have double jumps in this game, especially not when you jump and shoot. We do want to apply horizontal movement. Or maybe we don't. Oh yeah, if we're in the air. So I'm gonna say apply airborne horizontal movement. Apply airborne horizontal movement. Now I'm gonna say if player dot is on floor, we're gonna say player dot velocity dot x equals 0.0. So basically, if we're on the floor, we just want it to be 0.0. Actually, I know what we're gonna do. I'm gonna do it up here. If player dot is on floor, say direction equals 0.0. Because think about it. If we have our direction set up here, but we're setting it again, that means that if we're on the floor, direction equals 0.0, right? And we can have something that says ground attack or dash attack. But I don't think I'll do dash attacks in this game. I feel like that's overboard. But to be honest, there won't even be actual dashes in the game. They'll literally be like these yeah, there won't be actual dashes. This is gonna be like basically classic Mega Man. You can slide though. That would be the goal. let's do some art. So to do some art, I will do some. Let me see. What type of Final Fantasy thing is this? Oh yeah, Memento Hearts. Believe it or not, Gribble Destinies was actually supposed to be called Memento Hearts. Oh, this actually goes kind of hard. Jeez. I'm gonna say a print debug message. State attack. Bam! We just got a new state in there. Y'all see that? Y'all see how I did that? Like what I did there? Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna say that if we are here, say function apply attack. And we're gonna say player dot buttons press. I think we're gonna go with 2. We're gonna say, let me see, is there like a way I can get the state? Oh shit, no there isn't. Let's say states, but states owner, states owner dot transition to. Yeah, it's not declared, but I promise we'll set it up later. Actually, we're gonna set it up right now because I don't want to forget. States manager, state, space state. So we got our player, which is great. States. States owner. Let's see. States machine. See, I don't know if it's states machine or states owner. Let's go with states owner. Yes, states owner. We don't really need this. And we don't need this. To be honest, I don't think we need exit, but that's just what we're gonna just take. Because we're not using any of this. Oh, this is my shit right here. This is a song. That beep boop shit. That's what that is right there. Fire airborne horizontal movement, direction. Oh wait, I think someone's calling my name real quick. Nah, there wasn't nobody. Darn. Alright, if player is on floor. Direction equals player dot input vector. If debug message not equal this, we want to print so we're not cluttering up that. If it doesn't equal that, we want to print it. So I'm just going to say states manager. Let's go to our state.normal. Say each state owner equals self. The reason why we use self is because it's going to take the self from where it is, and we want it to refer back to this, because if we don't have it refer back to this, we're gonna have I would say linker errors, but we're basically going to have things where it's going to look for something and it's not going to have it. Because this already has a transition to state, it would just make sense to have it here. Alright. Okay, let me see. Transition to because 1 is the attack state. Click the message, I'm gonna say player has transitioned to attack suit. I'm gonna say states wait, there's a better way to do this. I'm just gonna say so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have a dictionary that's gonna have all the states' names. There's gotta be a way to add dictionary. Hold on. Let me Google this. There's gotta be a better way. How to add elements to a what? Oh, dictionaries don't have them ordering, so there's no appending to them. Darn. Reddit. Filter children dot child name equals child. What? This makes no sense. Oh, that's how you do it. Okay. Alright, that's cool. Reddit to the rescue. Alright, let's do states dictionary equals our states dict. Should we use that? Should we use? Let's say states dict. States dict, and we're gonna do each player dot name, or each state dot name equals each state. So I think that's how you do it. States data. Just gonna call it like that. Actually, I'm just gonna rename this to be states data. States data, and then this will be possible states. Just think about it, like, you wouldn't want to reach into the states data to do anything else. Equals states data equals get children. Then we're just gonna say, just gonna switch these. So we're gonna say states data and possible states. States data, possible states. I feel like that should clean that up a little bit. All right, each state.name. So we got to give each state its own name. Let's say var state name. Not name is good. Ah shit, can't use name. State name equals that, whatever. Don't need that. And you can't have two keys that have the same value. I think it'll throw an error if you have two keys that have the same value. So each key must be unique. And then we're going to do a safe check on here as well. We're going to do state normal. There we go, there we go. We got attack and we got normal. That's what happens when the state is ready. So once it's ready, it's going to set the state name to be what it needs to be. Which is... This shouldn't have any complexions, but I'm just going to run anyway. State owner. And base with value of type of node states manager. Did I not run a states manager on that? No, states owner. Oh, state owner. There we go. Each state's dot name. The name needs to be state name. Okay. We still do that. And press buttons, but we're not doing what we need to do, which is sad. Not too great. Of course, because we haven't even put apply attacking in here. We apply attacking. Apply attacking. Oh geez, my thing died. Okay, just gonna invalidate index 1 on dictionary. 1 on dictionary? I don't get it. What's wrong with the... Oh, okay. Okay, I think I know what it is. 1 is not a regular state, so we're just gonna say this is possible states attack. Alright, save that. Attack and normal. Attack. We're gonna say if player is on floor. Say else. I'm gonna say player dot player states. States owner dot transition to use states owner dot possible states. What we want is our normal state. Now this may seem kind of counterintuitive. Basically, if this works, we'll say attack normal. I'm gonna do normal to attack. Yeah, guys, we now have workable states. Yeah, we now have normal. We now have normal to attack and attack to normal. So now we've got a fully functioning state machine, and the best part is it functions really well, actually. I'm quite surprised at how well this works. So yeah, I think I did a good job. Because it's transitioning to and it's printing out a message. But yeah. Of course, I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna see what happens if we write normal here. Let's see what happens. Yep, invalid get attack, index attack. So, yeah, so this is automatically gonna get whatever we need to get. And really, it's just good practice to name your state name what you want it to be. So, I mean, I don't think I'll ever run into a problem where I have to like use different stuff, if that makes sense, because I'm only working on these states as if they are their own little thing. I don't think I'm ever going to run into a problem where I have to do extra stuff upon extra stuff, if that makes sense. Of course, the gravity, that's fine. Normal is fine. We do want a dash state. So I'm gonna go ahead and work up a dash state real quick, or like a what is it? Work up a dash state. Might as well. I am not gonna lie though, I am about to get off in about 24 minutes, so yeah. Can I figure out something else? There we go. This is way better. Alright. I need to drink some water. That's what I need to drink. Alright, so we got apply gravity, physics update, apply gravity, apply airborne, horizontal movement. state name will be the dash state. Yeah, dash state. Who knows? Maybe this might be blast and dash too. Let me see. Let me see. Function ready, state name equals dash. You know what I'm doing? I'm basically taking like this entire code. I'm just putting it in different ones because I'm technically rewriting the same code over again, and I don't want to do that. And yeah, we will have attack dashing. Okay. Okay. We got apply gravity, apply jumping. You know, all that work makes me glad that I'm not going to be a game developer. That's totally okay, man. I can't believe I missed this one. But, oh shit. No, it's fun, though. You know, the thing is, as crazy as it is, everyone's trying to be a game developer nowadays. Like, you got people out of the woods out where everyone's trying to be a game developer. And the good news is, for you, they're going to need music for those games. Like, I know me personally. I'm just going to... Oh, man. Getting sleepy. I know me personally, I ate all of that. I ate all those words. And think about it, I haven't even gotten to the main meat of it. I'm still on, like, the movement section of this. And getting Coyote... I already got Coyote jump timing done. I just got to get everything else done too. So, like, could you imagine doing all this? Yeah, it's crazy. But it's a lot of fun, though. Like, it is a lot of fun. And the best part is, because I put this in different states, I can take... We're gonna stick the drawing cartoons. That's cool, that's cool. Not me, I want something more interactive. Let me see, physics update. I'm gonna say that and for this, I'm going to say apply dashing. I think the button I need is 5. if player buttons pressed and player dot is on and player dot test move. I know I did a test move on here. Player dot transform. Okay, this seems to be 4 pixels, not half pixels. Oh, let me fix something real fast. There we go. Player dot. Transform, and then finally vector 2 4.0 4.0. So basically, if we press the L button and we're on the ground or there's something underneath us, then we want to be able to dash. We're not going to be able to dash off walls, but that's just basically what that is. Not going to be able to dash off walls. Maybe we could do that, where if we're pressing the dash button and we're on a wall, we can dash off them, but that would require for more stuff. Oh, fair enough. Let me see something. We're going to say states Onder. What is this, Mario Wonder? Bad joke. Alright, so listen to states. Why am I keep doing that? Possible states. My life, if it wasn't for Reddit, I would be so screwed. I don't even like Reddit like that. Possible states. We're gonna go with dash. Sadly, we don't get like an autocomplete, but I'm keeping the name simple just for brevity's sake. Normal dash. Then we're gonna see apply dashing. Apply dashing. There we go. All right. Is this the wrong one? No, this is normal. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have like a dash timer or something. So I'm kind of something when I set it up, but already var dash timer equals timer, and I'm just gonna say dash timer. And this dash timer will basically function like a dash. It's just all it is. Just think of Mega Man X, and bam, dash timer. Also gonna add this to my little list of things. Dash timer, state.dash or state dash. And the next thing we want is we want our we want a dash timer. So I'm gonna do attach stripped. Just remember that, people. Not script, stripped. That's it's not right. It's not right. Alright, so we need a dash timer. I will do a timer node. Dash timer. Here, 75. One shot. Alright, cool. So this is playing the release chapters. Okay. Alright, that's good. That's pretty cool. Yeah, this is wild. The fact that I got these buttons pressed. It's a function. Var release dash equals false. Apply dash and stuff. I'm sorry for not saying anything, but really all I'm doing is I'm just making sure. I should probably add these voids to speed up things. Voody. Vood. Nasty. Void. Apply dash mid stop. say if not say buttons released dash equals, this is going to equal buttons pressed, and I'm going to go with 5. Buttons press 5. Player buttons press 5. Then we're going to say if release dash if release dash, we're gonna say states owner dot transition to. Okay, I actually forgot what I did. States owner, dot possible states. States owner dot possible states, and the state you want to go to is actually going to be. Let me see. What should it be? We don't want it to be the player, but we want it to be normal. So normal is basically what I'm going to have it there. I'm going to say from dash to normal, and that's basically all we're going to do. Apply dash bit stop. And is on floor. Player dot is on 4. Does that want to do apply instead of having a direction? We're going to say player equal input vector, and we're going to say player.sprite.scale.x, and instead velocity would just equal the speed player.speed times direction. Player.speed times direction. Then we're going to do times. I have no idea what I want to times it by. I think maybe we might want to try and do something different. Direction equals player.sprite.scale.x. If direction, player.velocity.x. Player.speed times direction. player is on the floor. Basically, player is on the floor. We want to make sure that sets it up right there. And then direction equals player.sprite.scale.x. Let me see. Alright, well, anyway guys, I'm going to figure this out later because my head is kind of hurting right now. So, yeah, it was fun talking with all of you, including you too, Bernie. It was fun chatting with you too. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. And for those that were quiet during the stream, thank you so much for being here. And yeah, I think that's all I'm going to say. You guys have a great day, and I'll catch you guys later. Take care, everybody. Yeah, I gotta go to my YouTube account and do all that stuff. Let me see, ending stream. Yeah, I accidentally closed my Go Live page. There we go. Yeah. Take care, everybody.